Guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me showing you guys how I am going to put some weed killer down for all these dandelions and all these other type of weeds that I have in my yard. One thing I want to make clear is make sure that you find a product that says it does not kill the grass, because you do not want to kill the grass. All I'm doing again is killing the actual weeds. I do this once a year. I am going to do the back first because I have a pup and I don't want her to um, eat any of this. So what I would do is do like different days each side, because we got the front, we got the back. And again, like I said, I'm gonna do the back first, let that dry, and then the next day I'll do the sides and vice versa. But I'm gonna make sure I do not let her eat this stuff. Do not let your pet eat this stuff. Do not let your kid eat this stuff, because you know it's a product, so you don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is get it together. Just want to show you guys all the little weeds and stuff, and I'm telling you guys it works so good. And we just got our grass cut last week, but it's been raining, so that's when weeds and stuff come up. So there we go. You see the dandelions and all the other stuff. Let's get with it. Okay, what I'll be using is this Roundup kills weeds, won't harm the lawn. Have you some gloves. I got some cute gloves, but I'm just gonna use these gloves right here. I like this type that you can put in your hose. You have to have a hose for this one. To me, it's much easier versus trying to, you know, put it in a little container. Now in the front where the gardening stuff is, I do use a little container, and I don't use the one that's inside the hose, but this is going to be connected to a hose, okay? Okay, and if you just read everything, it'll show you how to be able to put it on the hose. It's telling you to remove this before, and then you got the on and off switch, which I love, because one time I had one that didn't have the on and off switch, and it was crazy. So make sure, hopefully, they have that on and off switch. Okay. Okay, guys, so here is the actual container. Wasn't sure if I got that recorded, but I want to make sure it has a remove this before. It has an on and off switch. I love the on and off switch. One time I made a mistake and purchased one that didn't have it, so please make sure I have it. If I did repeat myself, forgive me. I just wasn't sure if I got that on video. So now I am about to get the hose. I like to use the one with the hose. Like I said, it's so much easier. I'm about to hook up the hose, get all this off, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so what you want to do is, if you have one of these on your hose, take this off. And all you do is just screw this on here. And make sure, guys, y'all are wearing some clothes that you don't mind getting wet. I had this on earlier, so let the water come out. But don't that you don't mind getting wet, because you ain't trying to get all wet and stuff. So have you some whatever type of clothes, as well as again some gloves, and wear you some boots too. I like to always wear boots when I'm in the yard. Okay. So again, like I said, it has an on and off switch, which I love. See, I can be able to turn it on and I can be able to turn it off. Okay. And I'm gonna go turn the water on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, and sorry if you hear that loud noise. I'm well, you know I'm outside, but they are sound like some jets going past. Okay, so I got it hooked up to the water, and let's do it. Like I said, I love the on and off switch. See, look, see, and that's why it's good to have an on and off switch. When you don't have one, it'd be all over the place. Okay, so let's get the going. And like I said, guys, put it everywhere. Put it all over the place. And it's kind of chilly outside. I kind of picked a bad day. But it's all good. Don't do it when it's too hot or too chilly. And you can smell it, so you'll know it's coming out and see it. Okay, guys, so just get all of the yard, pay attention to what you're doing, and I'll come back, okay? Guys, so just wanted to tell you, I am half done with the back of my yard, and I used half of it on that side. You can see when you have how much you have left. Always make sure you're paying attention to that, because you don't want to just be spraying water. And it's about right here. Usually when they get about right there, you really ain't getting nothing from it. So you might as well just let it go. So I gotta buy. I'm gonna say, to be honest with you, if you I don't have a big house. I mean, like a big yard. I say probably you gonna need I will get about 4 just to be on the safe side, or get 2, see how that goes and go from there. But I most definitely would need to get 2 more of these. Um, because again, and really focus on where you see the actual weeds, especially like if you see dandelions, really focus on that area. I felt like I was kind of in areas that didn't have any, but it's going to grow. So, but like I said, really focus on that. I'm finna get done with this side, finish the rest each day. And like I said, this is excellent to get rid of all these weeds. Let me know once you do it how it goes. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I got a bunch of different videos, so please check them out. Again, this will get rid of all your weeds in your yard, but won't kill your yard. Okay, stay tuned to a lot of different videos that I'm doing, especially for my yard, because it's springtime and it's time to get our yards together. So, about to get finished. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.